Ulampang jong kiyeng do batho ain kajala uba met baling do hnek si ba ar lap diang ya no confident motion bolong ra ka kongres persya ek sarkar jala balai lam do konrat ki sangma ulampang ulaburu ba ya kate ke jinga tai halo ka jimbom seni asu ya sarkar jala kan long ha kasi balang kata kat wei terik mentau benai.
I would like to inform the House that I have received a notice of no confidence motion dated 10th November 2020, tabled against the Council of Ministers, headed by Sri Conrad K. Sangma, which was submitted by Dr. Mukul Sangma, Sri Zenith M. Sangma, Sri W.D. Sangma, Sri P.T. Saukme, Sri H.M. Shangpliang, Srimati Dikanshi Dishira, Srimati Miani Dishira, Sri George Bilindo, Sri M. Rapsang, Sri Kim Phama Baniang, and Sri Lazarus Sangma. I will read the content of the letter. Dated Shillong, the 10th November 2020, to the Commissioner Secretary, Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, Shillong. Subject: motion expressing one of confidence in Council of Ministers led by Sri Conrad K. Sangma. We, the undersigned members of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, on the Rule 133 with subsection 1 of the Rules of Procedures and Conduct of Business in the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, submit the following motion. Whereas the Council of Ministers, led by the Chief Minister Sri Conrad K. Sangma, has failed to address multiple and critical issues affecting the well-being of the people as a whole. And whereas the Council of Ministers, led by Sri Conrad K. Sangma, has failed to protect the interests of the state as a whole and failed in all fronts. Therefore, this House do now express its one of no of confidence in the Council of Ministers led by Sri Conrad K. Sangma. Yours faithfully, signed number 1, Dr. Mukul Sangma, number 2, Sri Zenith M. Sangma, number 3, W.D. Sangma, number 4, Sri P.T. Saukme, number 5, H.M. Shangpliang, number 6, Srimati Dikanshi Dishira, number 7, Srimati Miani Dishira, number 8, Sri George Bilindo, number 9, Sri M. Rapsang, number 10, Sri Kim Phama Baniang, and number 11, Lazarus Sangma. Now, as per Rule 133, subsection 3, the motion has to be supported by at least 10 members to be admitted. So the members who are in support of the motion may please rise in their seat. Since at least 10 members have supported the motion has the leave of the House to be admitted. Therefore, the no confidence motion is admitted with the leave of the House, and I will fix the 11th of November 2020 at 11 a.m. for disposal of the motion.